Blueberries rank among the highest foods in antioxidant capacity. Their ORC scores, measuring antioxidant levels, are exceptional. They provide anthocyanins, vitamins C and K, manganese, and fiber. Research links regular blueberry consumption to improved memory, heart health, and reduced inflammation. Nutritionally, they're remarkable. But contamination patterns vary dramatically based on source and season. Domestic versus imported blueberries present vastly different risk profiles. During summer, North American blueberries dominate markets. In winter, imports from South America, particularly Chile, provide year-round availability. Those Chilean blueberries sometimes test positive for pesticides banned in the United States. The small size and delicate skin of blueberries create challenges. Multiple berries consumed per serving multiply exposure. Washing helps, but rough handling damages the fruit. That protective bloom on fresh blueberries, the whitish coating, consists of natural yeasts and wax. It protects the berry but also can trap pesticides. The long growing season requires multiple pest management interventions. Blueberry maggots, cherry fruit worms, various fungal diseases. Commercial cultivation addresses these threats with repeated applications. Conventional blueberry farming uses substantial pesticides, though exact chemicals vary by region and farm practices. Frozen versus fresh blueberries deserve careful consideration. Frozen blueberries undergo washing and rapid freezing that may preserve antioxidants well while potentially reducing some surface pesticides. They're also typically less expensive than fresh, making organic frozen blueberries more affordable than organic fresh. Wild versus cultivated blueberries represent entirely different products. Wild blueberries, harvested from uncultivated barrens primarily in Maine and Atlantic Canada, grow without agricultural pesticides. They're smaller, more intensely flavored, and generally available only frozen. They provide similar antioxidants with negligible contamination risk. Month-by-month purchasing guides help navigate the market. May through September offers domestic blueberries from various regions as harvest progresses north. October through April relies heavily on South American imports. Understanding this cycle helps you prioritize organic purchases during high-risk import season while potentially accepting conventional during peak domestic season if budget requires. Geographical risk mapping shows Chilean imports present higher contamination concerns than domestic or Canadian blueberries. This isn't absolute, but regulatory differences and pesticide availability create varying safety profiles. Mexico also exports blueberries with intermediate risk levels. Recipes using blueberries strategically consider contamination. Baking blueberry muffins or pies involves heat that may degrade some pesticide residues. Raw blueberries in smoothies or on cereal provide maximum antioxidants, but also maximum pesticide exposure if conventional. Frozen organic blueberries for smoothies offer a practical compromise. Storage and preservation techniques help maximize local organic season benefits. When domestic organic blueberries peak in summer, buy in bulk and freeze them. Spread berries on trays, freeze individually, then transfer to bags. This provides organic blueberries year-round without relying on questionable imports. Pediatric exposure guidelines matter because children consume significant quantities of blueberries. They're sweet, fun to eat, and marketed as healthy snacks. A toddler eating a cup of conventional blueberries receives pesticide exposure concentrated relative to their small body weight. Organic blueberries for children make sense from a risk perspective. The antioxidant benefits of blueberries are well documented and significant. Anthocyanins provide real health value. But these benefits compete against pesticide exposure, particularly from imported berries. Strategic purchasing, domestic over imported, organic over conventional, frozen over imported fresh, helps maintain blueberry consumption while managing contamination risk.